Make your essential oil products stand out by creating custom labels with LX610e Print and Cut Color Label Printer. Essential oil industry has been expanding, giving craft businesses a profitable opportunity to launch their aromatherapy and essential oil product. First, you need to create your design with your design software and print with LX610e Print and Cut Color Label Printer. LX610e combines color label printing up to 4,800 dpi with a built-in die-cutting mechanism. You can print on a variety of materials. Here I'm going to use clear, gloss, gold, and silver to make it more attractive. You can also print and cut different shapes and sizes proportional to any size of your essential oil bottles with no limitations. These materials offers high quality and durability. These materials are water resistant, alcohol, and oil resistant. You don't need to be an expert to start your own labeling business. LX610e is a desktop-sized printer that comes complete with easy-to-use software for laying out, print, and cut the files. No more custom label orders, no more order delays. Print and cut in one machine. Start today and make your customized essential products stand out with LX610e Print and Cut Color Label Printer. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit our website at www.labelcraft.com.